Locally AI is probably the coolest app that no one knows about. Right now, download a large language model for a few hundred megabytes, a few gigabytes, and you can have it stored on device forever. I run them on my phone. You can run local large language models. Chuck your phone on airplane mode forever, as long as it's got power, the entirety of human knowledge sitting in your pocket. So you have phenomenal capacity to access the technology without the interface. All we're paying for right now, $300 a month, thrown at Anthropic or OpenAI, all you have with that is an interface. You're paying for their software layer between that and the model. My challenge to people right now is actually own the model, own the tools. We can, it's possible. Now, the reason we want to own the tools isn't just to protect ourselves and the privacy piece and all that good stuff. I think it's because you truly get to appreciate what it can do.